It was, I don't know, but we got over here, it was
Services departing Caulfield platforms 2 and 3 are the 804 Frankston, stopping all stations to Frankston, departing platform 2 in 10 minutes. The 824 Frankston, stopping all stations to Frankston, departing platform 2 in 30 minutes. The 759 Sunbury, running express from Malvern to Anzac, then stopping all stations to Sunbury via the Metro Tunnel, departing platform 3 in 8 minutes. The 809 West Footscray, running express from Malvern to Anzac, then stopping all stations to West Footscray via the Metro Tunnel, departing platform 3 in 17 minutes.
Yeah, so 44 would have been when we were back over here, because it was at least 10 minutes ago.